Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we explore AI tools that actually improve your workflow. Before we talk about features, let me show you the final result. This admin dashboard now has dark mode, a searchable user table, and faster backend performance. Everything was built and optimized using Verdent AI. No prompt copy-pasting, no switching between tools, and no manual debugging. But here's the interesting part. The biggest problem with AI coding today isn't that the models aren't powerful enough. The real problem is everything around them. You constantly wonder things like, which model should I use for this task? GPT? Claude? Gemini? Did I write the right prompt? And after the AI finishes something, what should I even do next? Most of the time, you end up managing the AI instead of actually building your project. This is exactly the problem Verdent tries to solve. Instead of acting like another AI chatbot, Verdent works more like an AI coding partner that manages the workflow for you. Getting started with Verdent offers several plans, including a free 7-day trial with credits, so you can test the full workflow before committing. When you open the desktop application, the interface is very clean and developer-focused. The main screen allows you to enter a development task, connect your project repository, optionally add screenshots or design references, and choose how deeply Verdent should reason through the task. But what really makes Verdent different is something called plan mode. Plan mode and multiplan mode. Before touching your code, Verdent first tries to understand the task completely. It asks clarifying questions and then generates a structured plan. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of relying on a single model, Verdent uses multiplan mode. This means multiple top AI models analyze the task together. Models like Claude, GPT, and Gemini work as a decision committee. Each model proposes its own approach. Verdent compares the ideas, evaluates them, and generates a final plan that combines the strongest solutions. So instead of guessing which model is best for the task, you get the benefit of multiple expert perspectives working together automatically. For developers, this removes a lot of the usual AI coding anxiety. You don't have to keep switching models or experimenting with prompts. To properly test Verdent, I used a real admin dashboard project built with React, Tailwind, and a Node.js backend. The goal was to improve the project by adding 3 features: a full dark mode system, a searchable user management table, and optimized backend API pagination. Once the task was submitted, Verdent generated a full development plan. Then, it started implementing each step while tracking changes across the project. What's impressive is that the entire workflow happens inside the same environment. Planning, coding, reviewing, and testing are all connected, so context is never lost. While the agents were working, the live activity panel showed exactly what Verdent was modifying in real time. You could see updates to React components, backend API logic, state management changes, and styling improvements as they happened. One feature I found really interesting is called Next Action. AI coding evolves incredibly fast. New workflows, new tools, and new best practices appear every week. Instead of forcing you to constantly research what you might be missing, Verdent actively suggests useful next steps based on your project. For example, if Verdent detects that you modified core logic but didn't update tests, it may suggest generating minimal test coverage automatically. If you're making high-risk changes like dependency updates or authentication logic, it might recommend creating a pre-deployment checklist. And if your feature works but the UI still looks unfinished, Verdent can suggest using a front-end design skill to polish the interface without touching the business logic. These suggestions appear exactly when they are useful, which helps developers avoid common mistakes. Another powerful concept inside Verdent is skills. Think of skills as structured playbooks for AI tasks. Instead of relying on generic prompts, a skill contains a clear workflow including when the skill should be used, what steps the AI should follow, potential risks to watch for, and what a completed result should look like. This gives the AI much clearer instructions and produces more reliable results. Verdant also includes something called the skills market. You can browse, install, and manage skills just like apps in an app store. Developers can discover useful workflows, customize them, or even create their own skills for specific development processes. Verdant also includes a powerful AI code review system. Most AI review tools only analyze the code lines that changed. Verdant goes further. It traces which parts of the project are affected by those changes, identifies hidden dependencies, and evaluates potential risks across the entire system. The review is also performed using multiple AI models, giving feedback from different perspectives similar to a real engineering team reviewing a pull request. According to Verdant's benchmarks, this approach significantly improves review accuracy while keeping the cost extremely low at roughly 60 cents per pull request. After the full workflow completed, the results were impressive. The dashboard now supports a fully functional dark mode system. The user table includes search and filtering, and the backend APIs are optimized with improved pagination for faster loading. Most importantly, the entire upgrade happened inside Verdant's workflow without needing to manually jump between multiple AI tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.